Alright guys, I'm doing the update for lot number 20. You can see that they're trimming out all the concrete block, and they'll be doing a trim around the windows and making it look nice and detailed. They got the stucco and all the sand out here already. Let's walk inside real quick. We got a lot of workers that are popping up here, so they started the insulation. As you can see, looks like R13. They've got their wires run. Now, if somebody was purchasing this home from me, I'd do a little bit more of a detailed video so that you can see how the wiring is and things like that. But it's starting to come together. It's starting to look like, you know, filling in the space instead of it just being, you know, 2x4s with where you can see straight through it. Sliding glass doors look awesome. Everything looks great. You can see that backs up to the garage. But see, that's a perfect example. If you were going to put your TV there, hanging up on the wall, you would want to know those two boxes are right there. That's why this video stuff really works. You want to know those things. You also want to know there's a pipe right there in the garage. So if this is your master bedroom, if you put a TV up there, you would want to know, hey, there's a pipe right there. So they're just some little things that kind of help you in your move and make sure that you're not breaking stuff. But place is looking great, and we'll do an update video at the next step with drywall. Oh, and also all the windows are in.